Hi, my name is Joel from owner of the computer, and right now we're here doing a pre-wiring for a pre-built house. What we're doing right now is we're doing a pre-wire on the low voltage. We're doing a telephone, data, surveillance system, and for surveillance camera. So let's go here. I got one of my guy here, Luis, pulling out all the wires we have. But my setup right now is we have this box where we all put all of low voltage wires. For me, I normally put all my phone data and video on this side, and I put all my wires here for the security systems. So this is a 2,000 square feet, 2,100 square feet house, and what we're doing here is we want to have the house with the capability of being able to do remote surveillance systems where you're able to access your house from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet access. Aside from that, we have security systems that will control all the lightings in the house, um, you know, all of the security here, the garage, and all of the doors. So let me walk you throughout. This is what the kitchen is. And right now, we're still doing the pre-wiring upstairs. So I'm gonna bring you out the second floor. Here we are on this master bedroom, and this is the low voltage wiring we have. What we have is I normally use two data and two telephone. One for that one is the reason for it is I want to have one backup for each of them. So right now I'm using two Cat5 for the telephone wires and two Cat6 for your data. So we set it up here, and we have this is for our control in the future for our audio and video distribution. So this is a single gang, no, two gang box here. So this is what we do. We have them run all over here, and then so in my setup here I have one phone data here. This is for the cable TV, which we use is RG6 quad shield cable. We pair it with Cat5 for an upgrade later on, just a backup. And here I have phone data, which I put here, which is that one. And on all of the windows we normally put 22-4 for the security system. So that's what we have right now. And this is for the video here, and later on we're gonna put the surveillance camera upstairs. And this is the master bedroom, this side here. So it's going the whole way. There's really nothing much to see around, I mean, we're still doing all the work. But this is bedroom number 2, which is the same. We have the cable TV connected here. This is for our audio video distribution, and that's for the telephone and data. And we put the cable here for the security system. And with this setup, we run all our wires from that side downstairs, goes to our back. So this is where we drop all our wires, and we just put this wire here for, you know, just to secure all the cables. So over here we're planning to put LCD TV also here. So we have, you know, cable TV, which is on this side. This is bedroom number 3. We also have this phone data here, and security system just for this one. And if you go this side, take a look here. This is for our video, and this is for our, you know, volume control for our, you know, audio video distribution. We still have to mount our speaker wires, speaker brackets here. So that's what we're doing right now. So and on the bathroom, we also put security system wire here to, you know, monitor the window on that one. And on this side here, we still have to mount a motion sensor for, you know, for motion alarm, and for a fire alarm also. Like this here, we also put this one here for the security system. So for now, this is what our setup, and hopefully we'll be able to finish with all of this when we can put the speaker brackets for this one. So let's go here downstairs. This is the office. So we have cable TV here, same thing, RG6, Cat5. And we have phone data over there, phone data here, and trying to put the security system here and here. So, and we also have one phone data over here. And later on, since we don't have more space in this area, we're planning to run all of our audio and video distribution on this side. So we will hopefully be putting everything here just for audio and video distribution. But if you are a bigger house, you can probably assign one room for all of your data, video, telephone, and, you know, security system cablings. That would be nice, but since this is just a small place, we're just doing it here for audio and video distribution. And on the laundry room, that's where we put the phone data and security system. So that's it for now. We'll just give you an update once we're done with this. So right now my guy here is still working for the cables, and I guess that should be it. So we'll see how it goes after this. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see the finished thing after these words. And you can check and visit my website, www.compushuter.com. Thanks.